How to make your crosshair smaller in Valorant. So first, you just simply need to open up your settings. After that, go to Crosshair and make sure to go to primary right here. Once you're on the primary page, so I suggest using this crosshair. So turn off the outlines, then scroll down, then turn off the outer lines also. Now, once you're here on the inner lines, you just simply need to set the inner line opacity to 1 and the inner line length to whatever you want. Doesn't matter, but if you want it smaller, I suggest you use 4. And for the offset, you set it to 0 or 1, rather. Then for the movement error, set it to off. For the firing error, set it to off. So you can also set the offset to 2 if you want, or 1. So let's say I want to set it to 2 so that there's still a space in between the lines. And for the thickness, it's up to you. But if you want it smaller, I suggest this one. So for the inner lines, it is 1, 4, 2, and 2. So this is what it will look like, and it is a lot smaller than the default one. And that's basically it.